Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader, and this is Daz Paul, and thank you so much for your likes, comments, and subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for the support. And yes, 2 days, I was almost 2 to 3 days, I was almost busy. If you see, I couldn't make videos for you guys, live trading videos. Also, I couldn't make even question answer videos because I was busy with my office work and I didn't get time for it. And more, I will be telling more about this. So if you see, we are going to hit that 50,000 subscribers mark. So it is 49,586 subscribers. So once we hit 50,000 subscribers, I'll be doing a thank you video for you guys. In that, I'll be explaining you, as per your request, I'll be doing the smart trader journey, how I became smart trader, and also I'll be telling you a few untold truth, which is very important. I think it's high time that I should tell you few things so that you need to understand that how difficultly I'm doing videos and how I'm managing my time. So once you get to know better, so there'll be more good connection between us. Therefore, I'll be making that video once we hit that 50,000 mark. So in few days we're gonna hit that 50,000 mark, and I'll be posting that video for you guys. So anyways, without wasting time, today is Saturdays and Sunday is off for work. So anyways, I will record this video right now before I go to my gym, and let's continue with the video where we stopped. Let's take more of questions because we have so many comments coming on a daily video. So by the time I cover 10 comments, it will become too late. So let me pick up more comments and quick answers. So ShineTube channel, as I told you, I will continue your comments in the upcoming videos. So here we go. So ShineTube channel says that, sir, I am very much appreciated with your trading. I am a beginner, and for last 6 months I have been watching different videos for trading. Your trading appreciated me so much. I have been watching your videos since last week, and I found something common in your trading. Whenever you add stock in your market watch, you pick more than one stock. However, you trade in one of them. What will I guess here? And yes, you use market depth bid ask price. Is it part of your 0.3% strategy, trading strategy? And in this video, you pick bracket order at first but change to cover order then. You pick bracket order first and then you change to cover order then. Okay, so can I ask a question here for changing bracket order to cover order? I request you to make clear in separate videos so that beginners like me can be benefited. Thanks, sir. I like this video very much. Hope you would clear my doubt. Definitely I'll be clearing your doubt. I liked your comment also. Very good question. And first of all, thank you so much for watching our video. Please continue watching. And as you told, yes, I pick 3 stocks, 3, 4 or 2 stocks from the top gainers, because understand one thing, every time the logic will not work. Every time the top gainer only won't move. There will be instance when the top gainer starts falling down or he'll get stagnant out there. So I take 2-3 stocks in the radar, because it is the time when the second stock or the third stock will overtake the first stock. So I see the movement in terms of candlestick, and also, as you told, I see the market depth just to see that considering a 0.3%. Do we have any resistance out there? There are a lot of quantity, so if the quantity is less, definitely break and go up. If there is a lot of quantity, then definitely there will be a resistance out there. So I see that if there is a lot of resistance, I exit at 0.3%. If there is no resistance, it's pushing up, then I'll wait for a little more and then I exit later. You would have seen in my live trading videos what I do. And also why I change from bracket order to cover order. You saw a few of my videos when I use bracket order. When we put a limit order, the stocks which I choose are the stocks which boom up suddenly, so I miss out that movement. So I pick up and the stock goes up, and it keeps going up, hits 0.3% and comes down, and then hits our bracket order. So in order to avoid those situations, what I do, I put cover order. I immediately buy off in market price, and sometimes we wait for more than 0.3%, considering, as I told you, the situation. If it is going above 0.3, I grab that, and if it is becoming a difficult task, then I exit at 0.3%, right? So that's the reason I use cover order, because in bracket order you need to put a target. So if you want to wait, then it's a difficult chance. I don't want to take chance, so cover order. But definitely people who do not have time to sit and watch or concentrate, definitely you should use only bracket order, because in bracket order your target is done, and there is no much risk in that. So next one, Bipun Krishna says that, hi bro, please tell us how to pick the right stock for the day. Hi Bipun. So you need to just go to our channel. I have posted so many videos how to pick a stock, part 1, part 2, and 6 types of way to pick a stock, and so many strategy videos how to decide buy or sell, how to make money over there. So if you go through our channel, there are more. I think there is 170 plus video, I guess. So if you go and watch most of the videos, strategy videos, go to our playlist, go to NSE tricks and tips playlist. You will get most of the techniques out there. So that is how you can pick a stock, and there are multiple ways to pick a stock. It's not just one way, it's multiple ways. Next, Ramakrishna says, which mobile you are using, Smart Trader? Why? Because charts are refreshing very smoothly. Okay, so I am using the latest phone, that is OnePlus 6 phone with 8 GB RAM and 128 GB internal storage. I love mobiles and I love gadgets. I always have a lot of collection of mobiles. I keep changing mobiles every 6 months to 1 year. So currently I like this mobile. I'm very happy with this mobile OnePlus 6. It's very fast, one of the fastest phone in the world. So definitely while doing intraday trading, you need a good mobile with good speed. It should not hang, and it should be very good with the internet. Even with the mobile internet speed, it should work properly. That's the reason I chose this particular mobile, because most of you guys would be trading in laptop, but if you're trading in mobile, then you should ensure your mobile is fast and your mobile will not create any problem. So how Vishnu says, how do you determine if stock goes up or it has reached its peak? You said you look into 45 degree to 60 degree angle on chart. Please explain more on this. Waiting for your reply. See, one early morning when you see certain stocks goes up and then goes down, some goes down and goes up. There are stock which goes in 45 degree. Hope you guys understand what is 45 degree. I'm not able to show you right now, but at least you can go and hit Google and see what is 45 degree. So when you say 45 degree, it is like going up. It's going up. It's going like up above the bridge, straight up the bridge. So in those angles, there is a momentum where the stock will still continue in that momentum. That is where we grab that 0.3% of advantage over there. So that is one small technique which you can see. It's going to be a logical way of doing things. It's based on experience, guys. These things are based on experience. You can have a watch always like this, stocks which are going 45 degree, and consider there is a small movement of 0.3% still. You can just see and let me know about the observations. So Ajit Singh says, how do you select stocks by watching Money Control? You've seen in my live trading videos, right? And also I posted my very old video 1 year back, I think, how to use Money Control. In that I have mentioned, you can see top gainers, you can see FNO stocks, you can see market movers. There are a lot of ways you can choose a stock from Money Control. So SK Aslam says, keep it up. Thank you, bro. Saurabh says, hello, just want to know, based on what criteria or strategy did you pick the stock? Thumbs up for all your videos. I'm learning a lot. Thank you, guys. So, what strategy did you pick the stock? So, mostly I would have, I'm not sure, because I posted this video a few days back. So I pick in a lot of ways. I pick at 9:30, 9:15 from the pre-market open, and then again 9:50, 55 I see top gainers, 10:15 I see the candle breaking. So there are a lot of ways based on my time. Okay, so because I also go to office, so during my free time only I can record a video. If I get up, or if I come late home the last night, then I won't get up early because I have to get ready for office the next day also. And so based on that, what time frame I get up, I use that particular strategy. For that, you should know all the time what you can do, all the time what you should do, when you should buy, when you should sell, what is the best time, which is the technique you should use at what time. So at that particular time exactly, I use such type of techniques. And thank you so much for watching our video and support, and keep watching. Next, Loop says, my question, what is the requirement capital I need in order to make profit like that on daily basis? So if you see my video, I use a capital of 50,000. Initially I used to trade in 5,000, 10,000, and whenever I used to make losses, again I used to put 5,000, 10,000, because it was in my capacity. So now I would say 50,000 is my capacity. If 50,000 washouts in within one single day or two single day or even a week, I have the capacity to put 50,000 back. So I always trade with the capacity, and I always don't increase my capital more than that, considering in stock market you can make 100% capital or you can lose 100% capital. 50,000 is my radar, so that is why I have come up to 50,000. So if you want to make the same profit, then you have to use 50,000, but I would suggest it based on your experience and techniques. If you are making losses, do not put such big money. I would suggest even buying one stock for 100 rupees, 200 rupees is far better to learn, because the stock would move the same percentage. Only matters is your quantity. Based on your capital, your quantity will increase, and that is when your profit margin will increase. But that will come only after you learn proper, get proper knowledge and training from different people. So Vivek says keep doing it. Thank you so much. Anshul says, why you use 1 minute chart and which super trend setting you use, sir? I use every minute chart. If you see, I use 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 1 day. I use all type of charts. Doesn't mean I use only one single chart. Maybe the videos which you saw, I am using 1 minute chart. So definitely you can watch all the videos, you will get an idea. And which super trend setting you use, sir? I use the default setting, guys. 7 and 3. I use the default settings. You can try many other settings and let me know if you find something special. And a few more questions let's take up. And hello bro, Rohit says, hello bro, I do watch all your videos. What's your strategy behind entering market at specific time? Today Nifty is highly fluctuating at 10 o'clock, but you entered at 10:45 and made your profits. Can you suggest your strategy before entering market? So for entering market, first thing is depends when I get up, or first thing is do I have a free time. So whenever I have free time, I try to do a trade. I'm not a person who do a daily trading, because end of the day I'm getting a profit for the month, a profit for the week. I'm happy. I'm not targeting daily profit. Okay, so if I am trading then, and I'll just see the market. If market is giving a clear picture that yes, market won't be highly fluctuating the other side also, then I will enter. But if market is fluctuating too much, then I'll just wait till the market settles down in one single direction. If market settles down one single direction, then I go towards that direction. If market is already in that direction, it's going to reverse, then I go to the opposite direction. So it totally depends. That's the reason. And it's always to avoid, when market is highly volatile, it's good to avoid such trades for beginners, because you don't know, because you don't exit when it comes to your profit, and then you go up to your stop loss. So you watch more videos, not only mine, watch everyone's video, you'll get a better idea. That's the only technique. So every day waiting for your video. Fantastic. Thank you so much, the CR7. Thank you so much for watching the video. And yes, sure, whenever I get free time, I'll try to record various type of videos for you guys, so that you guys will get a better idea. And let's take 2 or 3 more questions. So Subhash says, hi sir, whenever I am seeing your trading videos, you always trade on equity segments only. Why you are not trading in FNO segments? Good question, Subhash. See, I trade in equity. I'm more comfortable trading in equity. It doesn't mean I don't know to trade in FNO segments. It's one and the same itself. So I will definitely trade in FNO segments also. And considering I'm getting 20 times margin in cover order, bracket order, and equity itself, I prefer to trade in equity. And yes, I will be recording videos if you want in FNO segments. It's not a big deal. So definitely I will record the videos. You can, it's almost the same stock. There's a small variation between the prices. So you can definitely trade in both with the same techniques. It works hand in hand. Nishad says, we want more live videos with different manner. Sure, whenever I get time. If you see, that is almost 2 weeks I put continuous live trade videos for you guys to have a better understanding. I have picked the stock in different way, different situation, different market situations. So this is those videos are totally different. I think your comment was 2 weeks back, so definitely you will be getting a chance to watch all the videos which I posted. And in futures, whatever time I get, I will definitely make more live videos for you guys. I record those videos and I will post in a different way. Ajit Singh says, I have seen your videos. You purchase bulk stocks and stock doesn't move against you. Please let me know what is your strategy. It's not that it doesn't go against me. It will go against me. It will go in both directions. But whenever it comes to 0.3%, I book my profit. That is when I make my profits. And let's take last three more questions. Uttaman G says, again, nice video with lot of powerful messages explained in a simple way. Thank you so much, Uttaman. Have one question also for you. In one of your previous video, you mentioned about putting stuffs on commodity also. Saw natural gas in your radar also. Any tentative dates? Awaiting reply. Sure. See, the thing is, one thing I would like to tell you guys. See, intraday is a highly risky game. So if you are an expert in making profits, start utilizing the money, because you don't know which is the bad day which is going to come. So if you've seen that within 11 or 12 days I posted 100% profit, that's why I made a backup capital of 50,000 rupees, right? So I've saved that money. Like that, you can save a lot of backup capital, 5-6 times of backup capital, so that at least for 5 to 10 years you should not worry that once I lose my 100%, you have money to put back. Your profits only you have, so that you can put again 50,000 and you can play around to 5-6 months or 1 year till a bad day comes, right? Till then you can mint that money. But how do you create wealth? By doing intraday. What happens when you get daily money, you spend it, you don't have a track of it. So what I do, whenever I get excess of money which I feel I don't have any plans to do, I buy few stocks for long term. One by fluke, I buy just considering, okay, these small stocks are going to go 1,000 times in 10 years. I just buy thinking that let that money, I get the money or let the money go. Those are my profits. Let it go to the market or let me get from the market. So I just put blindly few stocks, and few other stocks as per technicals or fundamentals, considering good companies, okay, expecting these companies to go up. Based on that, I buy few stocks. Whenever I get profits, I buy few stocks here and there. Okay, also I put little in mutual fund, considering lifetime assets, these should be in my name, so much money should be there in my name invested. So I put in that way. Simultaneously, commodity, as you told, commodity is a good time to trade in the evening. I don't get time to trade in the evening much. Morning, yes, but the volatility is less in commodity, but evening is where you can trade good in commodity. So I do trade in commodity. I know about more about commodity, but just that I don't get time because I will be in my office during that time, so I cannot record videos for you guys and trade in commodities. So that's the reason you're not seeing much of commodities. But whenever I have a holiday, whenever I'm on holidays, I'll definitely record some videos on commodities, any few techniques in that, so that you'll get a better idea. Thank you so much for that question. And Tirupati Rao says, congrats smart trader, your subscription crossed 40k. I subscribed when it was around 1,000. Wow, thank you so much for mentioning this. You guys have given me great support. We have reached 40k. Now we are going to hit that 50k. So thank you so much. We are growing very fast. We are one of the fastest growing YouTube channel in India, and the only fastest growing English channel in India. We are in the top peak right now. So thank you so much for all your support. And the last question, Shoshan says, hey Dias, can you please suggest me a good books for intraday training which will help to be a smart trader? Shashank, to be frank, I never read any books because I know books is a theory. There are a lot of things in Google itself. You can Google all the terms and conditions and things. You can keep reading all the definition of stock market, but definitely I'll tell you, we all went to school, we learned from books, but what we work in office is totally different. So practical is different, theory is different. So you can understand what is it, the meaning of it, but if you get experience in the market, that is when you will learn and become a smart trader. But reading books is just because of someone else experiences. So I'm not writing a book right now. If you see, I'm doing a videos for you guys. These videos are only a book for you. Same with the books which you see are different people's experience. They write it, so you just read it. But in case of me, you see my videos and you see practically what I'm doing. So it's all about learning from different people's experience. So watch more of YouTube videos and Google stuff if you want. There are a few good books which will motivate you and give you good knowledge. But to be frank, I don't read too much of books, so I'm not the best person to tell you this. So thank you so much for your comment. So anyways, for now, so much comments is more than enough. So next video we will be doing the fresh set of questions in other videos. So I will be covering the next video about this, that is 4043 profit live trading video. I'll be doing comments replying on that. So thank you so much for your support. Please do hit that subscribe, like and comment on these videos, and put on all your questions on these videos so that I will pick it up and make a video for you guys. Thank you so much. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.